as you are holding your neighbor right now, God's presence will not depart from you.
Amen.
From today till I meet you again on 2nd of May, you will always be surrounded
Amen.
with the mercy of the Almighty.
Amen.
Somebody shout power.
Power.
A louder power.
Power.
Lift up that hand up now. I have only 3 prophetic words and the mass will be over. Then you can relax. But hear me. All of you that were here yesterday, night, Friday and Saturday, hear me and hear me well. After this program now, keep rejoicing.
Amen.
Because something will be established in your life.
Amen.
And I want to let all of you know that this program is just once in a month camping. You must maximize. You must use your whole heart to grab everything.
Amen.
Let it not be off and on. If you are following God, follow Him. For those who have been here since yesterday, a kind of joy in your heart now.
Yes, sir.
That you have fulfilled your spiritual journey for this month.
Amen.
True of us.
True.
But for those who came this night, they are still lacking something. Because if you came this night, if you are not feeling incomplete, know that you are not spiritually balanced. But for those who were here since yesterday, they were here last Friday night. They were here in the morning, 10 o'clock, 10:30.
Yes, sir.
And they are here now.
Amen.
In with a fulfillment.
Yes.
Life is all about fulfillment.
Yes, sir.
Life. And anytime you are fulfilled in life, that is what guarantees settlement. So as you are holding him now, number 1, I prophetically announce to you that from this day, as I am standing on this altar now, you will stand in your family.
Amen. Amen.
No devil will bring you down.
Amen.
And any devil or any agent of the devil standing in your family, standing in your business, before I meet you again, God will uproot them.
Amen.
God will uproot them by fire.
Amen.
Number 2. You are here because you love God. Yesterday, you missed your sleep at night. True of us.
True.
Today also, you have missed your sleep. In the name above every other name,
Jesus.
the remaining days of this month, you will sleep well.
Amen.
Sickness will not keep you awake.
Amen.
Disease will not keep you awake.
Amen.
Poverty and shame will not give you sleepless nights.
Amen. Amen. So shall it be.
Those who were here yesterday, and somebody hear me now. If you were here yesterday and you are not here this night, this month's program is not complete in your life at all.
Yes.
Because anakpado yakpado.
Otwakade.
Oboroma chupu sigi 2 nights in a month, and you think you can give him 1. Well, only 1 man And I bought J.C. Penny. J.C. what?
Penny.
This man was blessed by God because he learned how to pay tithe from his father. That one day, J.C. Penny paid tithe of over 2.8 million US dollars. Money was coming. Contrast everywhere. Nka ho pushara $2.8 million. Was nka de too much. Nka de too much. Next tithe again, considerable $3.1 million. Asemba is too much. J.C. Penny ekewayo zabo nyezie 1.5 million as tithe. Chukwa say Yes, I say okay. Now, the next tender, amen, approved for J.C. Penny is to give him a contract worth 300 and something million US dollars. As women appear, oh, you are J.C. Penny, okay. What if, okay, you are tender. Oh, I say, well, this contract should be 380 million US dollars. But now we have now decided to share this contract between you and somebody. Okay. Now you will take one part and somebody will take one part. So we're going to give you right now. It's no longer $150 million. I say, why can't you all? I say, no, that's what we have decided now. From that time, J.C. Penny, all his contracts, all they went in full before, were all divided. Sure. Divided. And as J.C. Penny was dividing the tithe, God was dividing his blessings. Oh. That J.C. Penny borrowed a rich man in America. J.C. Penny went bankrupt. He returned back to his name, Penny. He began to pick penny again. And when he went bankrupt, business here food. Oh God, please. God said, you do me, I do you. Also give, and it shall be given back to you. If you fail to give, nothing will go back. And then J.C. Penny began again to pay tithe with his penny. And God began to take him off. That's why today, Ega America now, Ega for J.C. Penny Investments. Even though he has died, but still, his system and company is still existing. So here our 2 days program, 2 nights program. If you attend one night, which means this month, you have demanded for half bread. You hear me now? You have demanded for half bread. In Cabro, God forbid, God is a God of action. So lift up the hand of a neighbor now. So those who were here last night and they are not here this night, tell them as the Father say they have half bread this month. You can't also give and it shall be given back. This year, God forbid, should not be bidden. Because God said, come for 2 nights, Ebia 1. You will receive pay for what? For 1. There is no 2 ways about it. If somebody naga ubo, je cock and ubo, oh God, okay, rule. If we both walk anabata,
Oshi.
When again?
Oshimosh.
Very good. So I am not the one giving them half bread. They are the one that have chosen the half bread. But for you, that we are here last night and you are here now, in the name above every other name,
Jesus,
this month, God will give you a family size bigger loaf of blessing. Oh, when a bread they get buru, get the other one size. Family jumbo size. Number 3. And I'm saying, in your bunny bidoro, you got free share.
Amen.
That is the blessing I'm going to give you last now. Because you are here this night. Because you are here to end this program.
Amen.
You will never begin and stop halfway.
Amen.
There's some people now that were here last night. Now they had this night. Many are still pressing their phone now on their bed. Are they possible?
Yes.
Pressing their phone.
Yes.
Happy and can kapata. How watch one car. Before you know it, 2 aqual, 3 aqual. Olawa, ara. Chimaka watch with it. So from tonight, somebody hear me.
I hear you, sir.
I decree
I receive
upon your life that from now your life will receive grace for completeness.
Amen.
Half and half blessing will never be your portion.
Amen.
It will never be your portion.
Amen.
When Yaka say from now, my life must be complete. Say in fact, my life, my destiny is complete. Now, let your amen rise.
Amen.